Welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today we're going to make ham and cheese sliders, a super easy, quick, simple recipe. This will be perfect for like a lunch item, perfect to take to any kind of dinner that maybe is for like finger foods or something like that. I think this will be perfect recipe for that. And minimal ingredients and fairly cheap to make as well. You need one package of the Hawaiian sweet rolls. This is a 12 pack. You need some baby Swiss, some sliced American or cheddar cheese slices. You need some kind of sliced ham. You can get it from the deli or whatever other kind you want. I love the honey ham, so that's the kind I got. Grated Parmesan is an optional ingredient. You also need Italian seasoning and garlic powder. You're going to need a measuring spoon, a sharp knife, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. First things first, you're going to want to open your rolls. Go ahead and pull them from the bottom of the packaging as well. And we're going to go ahead and slice them in half. Now you have two pieces. You have a bottom layer and a top layer. I have my lined baking dish here, and I'm just going to pop the bottom layer of the bread into the pan. Now we're going to start the layering process, and you be the judge on this. You can add more cheese, take away, use less cheese. You could just cover the entire bread area with the layers, or you can just keep adding. That's completely up to you. I will say that you need at least 6 pieces of Swiss cheese and 6 of the American or cheddar cheese. Next up is the ham layer. Continue on with cheese. More cheese. After the last layer of cheese, you place your top layer of the rolls back onto the other layers, completing the sliders. Now the next step is to go ahead and melt your butter. Now you add to your melted butter a half of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. While you're applying the layer of seasoning, butter seasoning, to the top of your rolls or your sliders, you're going to be preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and these are going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes depending on how long it takes the cheese to melt. You can brush this on top, pour it on top, completely up to you. Here is the finished baked ham and cheese sliders. They smell delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Now this is completely optional, but you can sprinkle a little bit of grated Parmesan on the top of these. This is the complete recipe. I told you guys, super easy, super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Well, after you sprinkled them with the Parmesan cheese, your next step is to slice them up, let them sit for a couple minutes, and serve. If you try a different kind of slider using these Hawaiian rolls, let me know in the comments below. And I will also link the In the Kitchen playlist in the description box with over 50 recipes that are super easy and simple to follow, from desserts to casseroles to one-pan crock-pot meals, feed the whole family. Definitely check that description box out. Thank you always for watching, and stay tuned for more In the Kitchen videos.